Hello, today we're going to continue to do Math Kangaroo 2017. Grade 5. Question number 9. A rectangle is twice as long as wide. A fraction of the rectangle is colored in gray. Here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. But only these two are equal pieces. But if we split these two, these 4 are the same. Now we can split these 2 in half. And now all of these pieces are equal. So now we can start. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And over the gray, there's 1, 2, 3 pieces. So the answer would be 3/8, which is B. So B is the answer. Question number 10. Only 4 players score goals in a handball game. Each one scored a different number of goals. Michael scored the fewest number of goals. If the other players altogether managed to score 20 goals in total, what is the maximum number of goals Michael could have scored? So maximum over here means the greatest number. So all of these could all be the answer. So let's start with E. So for E, the lowest number that the other players could have gotten is 7, 8, and 9. And that equals to 24. But 24 is bigger than 20, which is not the exact same number, so E is wrong. D. The smallest number is 6, 7, and 8. That equals to 21, which is bigger than 20, so D is not the answer. 4. The smallest number could be 5, 6, and 7. But that equals to 18. But if we change it to 5, 7, and 8, then that will equal to 20. So C would be the answer because 2 and 3 are smaller than 4, but the 4 can already do 20. So B is wrong and A is wrong. C is the answer. Question number 11. A furniture shop sells 3-seaters, 2-seater, and 1-seater sofas that each have an equal wide arm set on the left and right hand side. Each seat is equally wide. See picture. Together with the arm sets, this 3-seater sofa is 220 centimeter, and the 2-seater sofa is 160 wide. How wide is the 1-seater sofa? So we can just use 220 to minus 160 because these arm sets are the same as this one, and each seat is the same number of wide too. So 220 minus 160 would equal to 60, which is 1-seater. So we just need to use 160 to minus 60, which is 100. That is the 1-seater sofa because that would be 2-seater sofa minus a seat. So that equals to 100. So D is the answer. Question number 12. Tom strings together the numbers from 1 to 20, tens, the 31-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then he deletes 24 digits of the number so that the remaining number is as big as possible. Which number does he obtain? Here, we'll start deleting from 1 because here you have to delete the whole number. But if we start deleting from 20, that would be the biggest number, which is making the number smaller. So we'll start from 1. So we can delete them all the way to 8 because then the starting would be as big as possible. We're just starting from 9, and then we'll delete 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 16, and the 1 from the 17, which you can also delete. And now we'll delete the one over here, and the rest is good. So the numbers are 9, 7, 8, 1, 9, 2, and 0. So the answer is C. There's a number written, question number 13. There's a number written on every face of a special dice. The sum of the numbers 9, 5, 9, 11, and 14. Which number is the 6th face? So first, this is a 6, a normal dice, which is 6-sided. So there is 5, 6, and 9, which is one-digit numbers, and there should be 3 one-digit numbers and 2 two-digit numbers. So right now there's two two-digit numbers and 3 one-digit numbers. So we need one more two-digit number. So A, B, and C is wrong. So now it's up to D and E. So we're going to use 3 plus 1 because the sum of the numbers, so 3 plus 1 is 4, but there's no 4 over here. Now E, 5 plus 1 is 6, and here's 6 right over here. So E is the answer. Question number 14. Who goes on a 5-day hiking trip? He starts on Monday and finishes on Friday. Every day he covers 2 kilometers, one more than the day before. In total, he hikes 70 kilometers. Which distance does he cover on Thursday? So we'll start from A. A is 12 plus 2, which is Friday, and the answer is 14. 12 on 12 minus 2 equals to 10. That would be Wednesday. 10 minus 2 equals 8, and that is Tuesday. 12, and now 8 minus 2 is 6, and that would be Monday. Now 18 plus 14 plus 12, which is like the answer that on which is Thursday, and plus 10 and plus 6 and plus 12. And that equals to 50. which is wrong because 50 is not 70. So now B. 13 plus 2 is 15, which is Friday. 13 minus 2 is 11 Wednesday. 11 minus 2 is 9 Tuesday. Now 13 plus 11 plus 9 now is 15 plus 11 minus 2 plus 11 plus 9 plus 7 plus 13 is 55, which is not the answer because that's not 70. C. 14 plus 2 is 16 Friday. 14 minus 2 is 12 Wednesday. 12 minus 2 is 10 Tuesday. 10 minus 2 is 8, but that is Monday. So now 10. So now it is 16 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 and plus 14. That would be 60. Which is wrong because it has to be 70, which is minusing a 10, which is 60. So now D. So 15 minus 2 is 13. And 15 plus 2 is 17. Friday. 15 minus 2 is 13. Wednesday. 13 minus 2 is 11. Tuesday. 11 minus 2 is 9. Monday. Now is 17 plus 13 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 15 that equals to 7. That equals to 65. So D is wrong if that is not 70. E. 16 plus 2 is 18, which is Friday. 16 minus 2 is 14, Wednesday. 14 minus 2 is 12, Tuesday. 12 minus 2 is 10, Monday. 18 plus 14 plus 16 plus 6 plus 16 is 70. So E is the answer. Question number 15. Boris wants to increase his pocket money. To achieve this, Fairy gives him 3 magic wands. He has to use every single one exactly once. So magic wand, so this magic wand increases his money by €1. So this magic wand decreases it by €1. Magic wand, this one doubles it. In which order does he have to use the magic wand in order to get the most money? So here, first times 2, which is, so now times 2, but we're going to start with 0. Times 2 plus 1 minus 1, that equals to 0. So now plus 1 minus 1 times 2. That still equals to 0. And now times 2 minus 1 plus 1, that equals to 0. So this is 0 plus 1 times 2 minus 1, that equals to $1. This is a minus 1 plus 1 times 2. That equals to 0. So D is the answer, because that is 1 and the rest is all $0. Question number 16. Raffle has 3 squares. The first one has side length 2 centimeters. The second one has side length 4 centimeters, and one corner is the center of the first square. The third square has side length 6 meters and centimeter, and one corner is the center of the second square. What is the total area of the figure shown? Here, this is 4. This is 16. This is 36. And all that equals to 56. And now 56 also has to minus these squares, so that wouldn't be too much and that wouldn't be too small. So that would probably be a 51 centimeter too. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.